In this video, you will learn how to install and run OpenVPN in your Calada NX. First, give the sudo apt update command to update your package list. Then, we're gonna download the package for the OpenVPN with a sudo apt install OpenVPN command. Now, my package for OpenVPN has been installed. Then, go to Firefox and type in vpnbook.com. vpnbook.com. Press enter to download the configuration files. Scroll down. Here click on the right tab, which says OpenVPN. You can download any of the configuration files. I will download the Canadian servers. Click on the link, and it will start downloading. Go to the folder you downloaded to. Now, extract the files. You can also put it into a directory, but for the purpose of this video I will extracting through the downloads folder. Next, go back to your terminal. I will clear my screen and change to the directory of the extracted folder. I will go to this folder, so I will now go to the downloads folder. Now I'm going into this folder. And then I'll type in sudo OpenVPN, and I can select any of the configuration files I want. I will now go for this one, the last one. You can select whichever one. Press enter. Give your password for the machine, and it will ask you for the username. You can find the username in the vpnbook.com site. Here, vpnbook.com is my username. Press enter and it will ask you for the password. My password is C9C4B4A. C9C4B4A. When it says initialization sequence completed, it means your VPN tunnel has been established. I can check by going to whatismyipaddress.com, and I can see my country right now is Canada, and this is my IPv4 address. My location has been changed, and so has been my IP. You can come out of OpenVPN by pressing Ctrl+C, or you can just close your terminal to cut out the connection of VPN.